This is evidenced by the fact that many coastal areas in Indonesia are far from access to clean water and have not been able to treat seawater. One of them is the island of Kangen in Sumeneb, Madura. The water there is still murky or salty, which is caused because groundwater is affected by seawater intrusion where there is excessive groundwater extraction and sea level rise, so that people of Kangen are forced to take water from the opposite island with an estimated time of 1 hour, plus they also have to pay at a price that is 70 times more expensive than the usual price. Electrolysis is a method of desalinating water by generating shockwaves in seawater that will encourage salt ions to separate with clean water. In addition, electrocoagulation is an alternative water purification method that is proven to be effective in reducing metal ions and particles in water, and reducing water salinity levels by running a direct electric current. However, until now there has been no multifunctional desalination device capable of purifying sea and river water that is environmentally friendly on a household scale. The previous technology, namely thermal desalination technology, requires large energy, high cost, and complex equipment structure. Thus, electrolysis and electrocoagulation can be an alternative seawater desalination method that is environmentally friendly with relatively low operational and maintenance costs and has high contaminant removal efficiency.
Therefore, we are the delegates of UM Laboratory Senior High School, Malang City. I'm Raditya Syarifaturiat and my partner
Raffi Raditya Sekolah
present New Water, solar desalination technology to support marine tourism and sustainable infrastructure on Kangen Island, Sumeneb, Madura.
The purpose of this study is to determine the mechanism of action, effectiveness, and the test result of new water in improving the quality of seawater in the coastal area of Kangen Island using shockwave electrolysis and electrocoagulation methods. This activity took place for 3 months, located on Kangen Island, Sumeneb, Madura, in the Lab Campus Research Center, Ecology Laboratory, Brawijaya University, and at the UM Laboratory Senior High School Science Laboratory, Malang City. First, the design of the new water was carried out using SketchUp software, then continued with the selection of materials to be used. One of them is 304 stainless steel as the main frame of the tool because it is not easily corrosive and attracts for use with water. In the tool assembly, there were several changes in the design concept to produce the new water tool assembly that is currently in use. New water was then tested with samples of murky and brackish well water in Kangen. The variation used was the length of time of the electrocoagulation process, namely 30, 60, 90, and 120 minutes. The processed water was then tested physically, chemically, and biologically to determine the effectiveness of new water in desalinating and purifying water.
So, how does new water work? Water is found on two feedback well to process the salt of electrolysis channel. To push the salt and the water apart from the fresh water. The turbine fresh water is filtered the input filter before entering test tube to go through the electrolysis process. In the electrolysis process, the shock wave will attract salt and the water. The potential of water flow where natrium ion negative charge and chlorine to positive charge. So, in the middle will flow fresh water. But here, the fresh water free body shows the progression. The water is then flowed the test tube to the input filter to filter out large particle in the water. In the test tube, the electrolysis process occurs where aluminum oxidase occurs, which will flop aluminum hydroxide flop to burn all pollutant in the water. The floating fluid will have pollutant-free water at the bottom and will flow to the filter output. The fresh and clear processed water is ready for use. Trial and error in design of water in electricity and electroplate design. The use of AC electric current, which requires transformer to shift DC current, turned out to have the large load. The 3 ampere and 10 ampere transformer with tribe but still could not accommodate load. So it directly uses electricity from battery from charging through solar panel. In addition, the original design of tubular electric plate which replied with 2 pairs of rectangular plate, thus improving the electrocoagulation process. New water is effective in remove color odor test. The red, green, blue value test result so that the greater the voltage and then with time the clear the water quality. Likewise, the test and odor test result for corresponded roasted, the processed water was odor testless. From the filter variant, a commercial filter and stacking filter resulted in a significant increase in pH value in temperature. So, stacking filter was chosen because it was more economical. The test result obtain a decreased value up to 59%. So, the TDS value is the requirement of clean water quality standard. The turbidity reduction test is 95% in iron content up to 99%. In addition, there was also a 99% reduction in E. coli bacteria, a 99% reduction in salinity. New water. A water purification and seawater desalination device designed with two-step purification mechanism. Use of wave electrolysis and electrocoagulation is proven to be able to reduce water salinity level by 90% and reduce turbidity by 99%. The new water for excellent water quality.